Let's start by explaining the C4 model abstractions, which we use to describe our software architecture. First, we have people, who are simply the end users of your solutions, such as new or existing customers, and any internal users, such as admin users, employees, or sales reps. In our example, we have the research team and the SEALs we're tracking. At the highest level of abstraction, or most zoomed-out view, we have software systems, which deliver value to one or more people, including your systems, and any third-party systems you rely on. As they're so abstract, it can take some time to define this within your own business context, but a good first step is to look at which individual development teams own parts of your solution. In our example, we have SEAL Track, a SEAL tracking and monitoring system, the physical tracking devices, and a couple of external systems for notifications. Inside software systems, we have containers. We're not talking Docker here. Containers are the applications or data stores that run so that your system can provide value. Here you will model out things like mobile apps, client and server-side applications, data stores and caches, APIs, or other runnable objects. Inside our containers, we have components. Components show the structure of our code, such as modules and controllers within each container. They work within the same process space as each other, but aren't themselves deployed as separate objects. In our case, we have things like the tracking, alerts, and mapping modules inside our API service. Inside those components, we have code. This is the deepest level, showing things like classes, interfaces, code functions, and so on. You won't often need this level of detail, but it might be useful for deep technical handovers. Using these abstractions, we can create a map from a high-level satellite view for business stakeholders and zoom into a low-level view for developers. Next, let's discuss the C4 model diagrams that we use to explain each level of detail of our architecture.